साला एक चावल आदमी को एम्पावर कर देता है. Rice is a quintessential grain of Western Odisha. Because of the complex irrigation networks from Mahanadi, Tel, Suktel, Indravati, Nagavali, Vamshadhara and many such has made it the rice bowl of India. Some says कि अगर कल्चर को जानना हो तो फूड को समझना बहुत जरूरी हो जाता है. And as Western Odisha has rice in abundance, same goes into our tradition. Be it Saraswatiya, Chawal Bora, Monda Pitha, Asa Pitha, Khiri and whatnot, we use rice in almost every occasion. That's why we celebrate rice and its first harvest as Nuakhai. Nuakhai is a constant reminder that even one single grain can empower the whole generations to come. It's a constant reminder of togetherness, harmony and tradition. It's a constant appreciation for the hard work of our farmers